Yes, uncle. We have left from here. Yes, yes. Huh. No, no. We are going to the room now.
Lucky
Okay, uncle,
draw.
I'll call you
3
back
days
later.
time.
Okay,
Free
uncle.
flight. Who is lucky?
Do
Okay,
you want
give
something
it.
else? Okay, give. Uncle. She's filling some lucky draw coupon.
This is free, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Please take it. I have filled it.
Ha. Keep this.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, best of
Okay,
luck.
sir.
Wow. Privilege coupon. Lucky draw, sir. 4 days, 3 nights. Free flight, sir. And forest resort, sir. Please fill this, sir.
Take this. You only fill it. Give those 2 numbers also.
Sagar 9447352.
Where? Huh. Did they came here only? I couldn't see them. Hey, she's here only. Come.
Where? Tell me.
Come, man. She's here only.
Where?
In 3rd floor. Come fast.
All right, I'm coming.
Come, man. She's standing there only. Go. You go, man.
Hi, madam.
Hello.
This is lucky draw coupon. There's an offer in supermarket. Can
Okay.
you please fill this? 4 days, 4 nights, and free flight trip.
Okay.
Can you please look at this?
Is this lucky draw?
Yes.
Not interested.
You just have to fill this up, ma'am. You might get a free trip. Don't let it go to waste. Just give a try, ma'am.
Okay. Nine 80478 Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yes.
Come fast. Yes.
Ah,
Everyone
coming,
come
coming.
fast.
The resort is far
Huh.
away.
Oh, yeah. This
Oh.
trip will be very
Okay.
beautiful.
Ha. We are so lucky, right?
Yeah. Get in. Yes.
Come, come, come.
Hi.
Yeah, we'll get
Hi.
in.
Welcome. Please get in.
Thank you.
Get in.
Thank
Please
you.
sit.
Yes.
I would like to speak happily with the lucky winners. For the next 3 days, you people will be very happy. So, let's start your enjoyment. Hey! Hey! Gone missing, bro. Yes, what a lucky day.
Just also nice. Enjoy
Enjoy a lot, right? Yes. Hey. Come on, man. Can't stop. La 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 Wow! Come. Can you please open the door? Get down. Come. Natasha, have you taken the bag? Thank you.
Welcome. I've taken it. Come, let's go.
Have you got my word? Everything is
All
ready.
right. Come on.
Hi. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
CD Raju book, right?
Yes. Thank you and welcome to Private Paradise.
Thank you. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
Come.
Like you all know, we have some wonderful entertainment here. This cottage is in the middle of the forest. That's why everyone prefers to stay here only. You all are all lucky winners, so you all are all lucky guests here. Here, you will get everything. Also, then for eating, you will get fish fry and all kind of items here. She's the cook and
Hi,
he's the
hello.
helper. You can ask them for whatever you want to eat here. Or else, if you want to cook, we can arrange that as well for you.
These 3 days, we will only look after cooking things. Yes, we will only do.
That's right.
We came here to enjoy itself.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is our visiting card. If you need anything else, please contact us. We will help you. Wish you all the best. Cheers.
Cheers.
Baby, I'm so tired. I want to rest. Please don't disturb me.
Did you come here for resting? You could have stayed at home.
So what for that? I need rest. Please try to understand.
What's wrong in that? You know I'll always be waiting. I'm so hot for you, baby.
Just shut up, idiot. We will stay here for 3 days. Don't be hurry, okay? We have time for everything.
3 or 300, I'll always be on for you.
Watch out, you are so hurry. You wanna play?
I am always ready.
Just go there. I'm so tired. We'll see later.
Okay, but I'm gonna be sleeping in my special bed.
Hey Karthik. Like we have planned before, everyone's come to the resort to stay over here.
Yeah.
Karthik. Take it. A girl has given everything to this man, but still he doesn't worry and is so carefree and is with another woman. We should just kill him in the middle of a road.
Hey, we shouldn't kill him that much easily. He should feel the torture. We should give him a hell-like torture. His death should be an example for those who do like this.
Yes.
As we planned before, we should bring him there. Then there we should kill him. Am I right, Karthik? Yes.
The moon is behind the clouds, waiting for you, just like me. We both are same in love with you. How's my poem?
Wow, your poem is so nice, but I'm not in mood to listen that. Just go, okay? Bye.
I had closed the door, right? Who opened this? I closed it and came.
Oh, do you think you are a Romeo to show your love in public?
Let me bring the water. Wait.
Rahul! 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 Rahul!
Why are you running like this?
There is someone over there.
Okay. Relax, cool.
There is someone, Rahul.
Cha, when I was looking at the phone, where did you go?
I went to drink the water. While drinking, I saw someone standing.
Okay, come. I'll come and see.
Come. Rahul, look there.
Which
there.
side?
Not here, that side.
Come.
Rahul,
Look there. And you? You got scared looking at this? If I off this light here, you will feel that someone is standing over there. You simply got scared.
sorry, Rahul. I was so much
Okay, cool.
afraid.
No problem, dear.
Good morning. Rahul. Rahul? 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 Don't know where he disappeared. Roshni? Haan, Rahul? Roshni?
What
Did you
happened?
see Rahul? I don't find
Come on.
Rahul. Rahul? 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 I don't know where he disappeared. Did you see Rahul? Did you?
Hey,
Rahul.
Natasha, leave it.
Don't feel bad, Natasha. He's just consoling you, that's all. I'm right? Did you search everywhere?
I did search everywhere, but I don't find him anywhere. Hey, relax. Where will he go? He might be somewhere here. Rahul,
What happened? What's the matter? Why do you look so frightened?
She's scared that you are not there. Where did you go morning itself?
They have made false promises about free ticket and enjoyment and they have cheated us.
Hey, what are you saying?
I wanted to make an important call but there's no network here. There is nothing here. Only if you walk 5-6 kilometers you will get range here.
you could have been informed her. She became nervous.
Sorry dear. You were in deep sleep when I came. I didn't want to disturb you so sorry dear.
It's okay.
Wow, it's very tasty and it's very yummy. Natasha, you cook really well.
This is super. But if we have to enjoy all these things, I think we have to definitely mix some booze.
Oh, then friends, let's get it started.
No, I'll not involve. You people enjoy that. What? Am I right, Varshu? You?
Do whatever you want.
Cheers!
Oh, individually we are drinking a separate brand.
Be Indian, buy Indian, and it doesn't end in booze.
Yes, correct.
Exactly.
We'll try our new brand today.
Pass the glass.
Oh, super. For this brand, we will call a friends mix. Love and brandy. We mix some fun along with it. These 3 days will be very memorable days of our life.
So friends, so let's start the party.
Cheers.
Okay, friends, now let's talk about our love. Booze and romance is the best combination. Both have the same kick. Now let's all start telling our love stories.
As you think, Rahul has not appeared. He knows what are his limits and he will manage that. Rahul will never trouble anyone while boozing.
I don't have problem when Sagar drinks. I can't tolerate when he start talking nonsense when he drunk.
If in case Mahesh is very happy, he will add on another peg, that's it. But he's smart. Rahul is cool. I love him so much because he's very calm. He will never get on his nose. Can't say that he'll not get angry. But when he gets anger, he knows how to manage that.
Sagar will always keep talking. Very soon he will get closer to unknown persons also. He's my sweetheart.
I don't know whether you people believe this or not. The most attractive thing in the Mahesh is he just have a body structure like a rock. Let Lauren not know about this.
We are so happy to be here. But I don't think so this happiness will sustain for 2 days.
Why do you feel so?
I'm feeling like this cottage is not so safe. I'm feeling like some horrible ghosts are around us.
Hey! There is nothing suspicious. Be quiet. I love this place. Yes, she is right.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart without saying a word.
What? I think you're so horny.
Oh, baby, can you love me now?
Okay then. You need to wait for some more time.
Sweetie.
Rahul! Rahul! Come
What
here.
happened to you?
Someone has come here and left. Come here.
Ayyo.
Come. See there?
Hey,
Ayyo.
there's nothing here. That Roshni is telling you something and all and spoiling your head. She's mad, dear. Come, let's take care of our business.
Hi, Natasha. Where's Rahul?
In the bedroom.
Can I try something?
What do you want to try?
You've been cooking from so many days, so shall I?
No need. Vaishali and Vashni will come now.
I just need 5 minutes. I'll finish it very quickly. Oh, all right.
Sagar, what are you doing here?
Actually, I was.
Let me tell that to you. Sagar needs 5 minutes from me, it seems.
Huh? But why?
Not for that. He told me that he'll help me for cooking.
Don't you have any other work? Go back to your room. I'll come and see. That's your 5 minutes. Shame on you, stupid.
He's gonna die.
No way. I'll not agree. Natasha has got a bigger size.
No, it's small one only.
Hey, don't argue with me, okay?
Hey, leave it, man.
Huh? I will never agree to this. I know when I see the size. Natasha, your size is big, right?
Saiza, gee, what are you talking about? Don't you feel ashamed?
Mahesh, what is this? This is too much.
What I'm trying to tell is,
Sagar, don't tell anything. Just shut up.
why should I? When I get bangles for you, I thought I'll get for Natasha also. Then Mahesh told, take another size because she is fat, right? So he asked me to get a big one. That's what I was thinking of, taking a big one. That's all. What is wrong in that?
Nothing is wrong. Give it.
Take.
Okay, why did you get tensed? First listen completely, then think what else. Why you are like this?
You're looking at me in a different way.
I am not looking in a wrong way. Everything is right way.
I understand what are you trying to tell me, but those things are only after the marriage.
If we catch up, we can't leave it. If we leave it, we can't catch up again. Love. That's love.
What an imagination.
This is not imagination. This is beyond that. Cha. Pure love. How many incipients we came across? I'll be always for you and you'll be always for me. In every incipient, we will be together.
Oh my god, do I need to bear you for so many incipients? I can't bear you, baby. Please now, first go and have bath. You're stinking. Mahesh! Mahesh, please open the door! Mahesh, open the door now!
happened?
Mahesh!
Why you're so
Mahesh,
scared?
please open the door!
What?
Some stranger.
Where? Where? Who is that? Are, like a devil, I am only behind you. Then which devil will come to you? Say, baby. Relax. Cool down. Relax, Aishu. Come on, Aishu.
Roshni.
What happened, Sagar? What are you dreaming, yaar?
There was a ghost who was trying to kill me in the dream.
This is why I always say you to not go and watch TV horror series, yaar.
Oh,
You messed it up by seeing those series. Now please shut up and sleep. Sagar, no power here. Can you please give me the torch? Am I audible? Sagar, what happened? Sagar, what's happening there? Sagar, please tell me what's happening there. Sagar! Sagar, open the door! Sagar! Sagar, open the door! Oh God, what is this sound? Please open the door, Sagar! Sagar! Open the door! Sagar! Open the door, man! Open the door, Sagar! Sagar, what are you doing then? Open the door! Sagar! Who is there inside? Sagar, open the door! Why are you locked the door, man? Sagar, open the door! Sagar! Sagar, open the door, Sagar! I have to come out! Sagar! Sagar, open the door! I'm so scared! Please open the door! Who is inside? What's happening there? Oh my God! Am I audible? Sagar, listen to my words! Please, someone, please come! Sagar! Help! Someone please help! Please help! Sagar! What's happening there? Sagar! Help! Sagar?
What's that noise coming there? Someone is shouting.
I think it's from Sagar room. Yes, come and see.
Sagar! Where are you?
Oh God!
What's happening here?
What is this? What has happened? Oh my God!
what
All
happened?
the things have been
What
scattered.
happened?
Hey, what happened?
Sagar?
Tell me.
What
Where is
happened?
Sagar?
Sagar, where is Sagar?
Come, we'll see.
Sagar? Oh my God! Sagar? Oh, don't cry! Don't cry! Don't
Sagar!
cry! Please don't cry! He'll be somewhere here. Let us find him. Let's find him.
Where did the Sagar go? Sagar, where are
Where
you?
did he go?
Where are you? Sagar!
Don't cry! Stay calm.
Sagar!
Roshni, relax. There is no use of crying so much. Let's investigate about this.
Roshni, please remember everything. Tell me exactly what happened there.
I was in washroom. Suddenly I heard some weird noises from outside. I tried to see what's happening outside, but someone has locked me. I was so scared. Then I started to scream from inside, Sagar! Sagar! And suddenly Sagar was shouting and screaming.
You heard a shout?
Yes, I felt that someone is inside the room.
Do he have any enemies? Means someone who is following him and then threatening him like that?
No, it's not kind of.
Roshni, have you guys come here before?
No, this is the first time we came here.
Chha.
Vaishu,
Yeah?
do you have that visiting card of manager?
I have it in my bag. Let me go and get that. 39 51
51
74
74
08.
08.
Yeah.
This number is not connecting.
Give me that. Is there a different number? Oh, there's only one number.
Che. They have said free trip and they have cheated us.
Stop!
What we do in this forest?
There is no use of getting scared. We have to do something. Keep trying until you reach the number.
Vaishnu?
Why
Natasha?
is she shouting there?
1 minute, you just come with me. Why should make it fast? We should leave here.
Are you joking here? How can we go without finding Sagar?
These many stuffs happen. Don't you have fear?
What are you trying to tell me?
What's going on here? I thought some abnormal things are there in this house. We'll leave here first instead of getting anything worse. Come. Take this bag. Come. We'll go first. Come. Rahul, we can't stay here. We will go first.
What? How can we leave Sagar here and then go?
For these 2 years of friendship, I'm not supposed to die.
Why are you talking like this, Mahesh? How can we live without Sagar?
I'm not saying like that, but for me, my life is important.
So what are you trying to tell us now?
Natasha, please try to listen to me. First, we will go from here.
I will not come without Sagar. If you want, you can go.
Once after we find Sagar, we can go together, right?
Why you people are not getting my point? If we are alive, we can find the Sagar very well. Rahul, Natasha, will you come with us?
No, bro. You leave. Me and Natasha will stay with Roshni here. We'll find Sagar and then leave.
Vaishu, come, we'll go. Vaishu, come.
Vaishu? Rahul, let's get ready soon and find him. Roshni, you two get ready soon. We both will not leave you alone like that. Let's find Sagar together. You be bold. We will somehow definitely find Sagar. You go get ready soon. Go.
Come.
Stop. Please stop. Stop, please. Will you drop near town?
All right, get in.
Thank you. Vaishu, come.
Yeah.
Come fast. Be careful.
Roshni, you be bold. We will find him somehow.
Yes, Roshni. We'll find him some way or the other. You please relax.
Bro, where we are going?
How far is the city from here?
Bro, from where you are coming? Hey, where you are going?
Sagar?
Sagar?
Sagar!
Sagar!
Che.
Look here. This looks like Sagar phone.
Yes, this is Sagar phone only. Sagar!
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 Chah, the touch is not working on the phone. I think it's broken after falling down. Let's see.
Check the calling list. Check that if someone has tried to contact him.
There is no network in this thing also. See, there's no network at all. Can you see?
Then what to do now? Network
It's
is not
difficult.
available?
Chah,
Shit.
I'll try one more time.
Do it
Make it
fast.
fast.
Ah, I got it.
You got that?
1 second, I'll just check.
Okay.
It's ringing.
Thank God.
Oh my god!
What happened?
Ah, shit!
Sagar! Sagar! Sagar!
Sagar!
Sagar! Sagar? Rahul!
Hey, you bloody rogue! Leave her! Hey! Hey, leave her! Hey, don't!
Rahul! Save me! Rahul! Save me! Rahul! Hey, leave her! Roshni, save us! Leave him! Leave him here! Leave him! Leave! Get lost! Leave him! Go! Natasha has to die. Not only Natasha, even your Sagar. I will kill them. Even God cannot stop me by killing them. I have decided that. You came along with a guy called Sagar. Do you actually know what kind of guy he is? He had killed his lover. He is a cheater. He spoiled my friend's life. Rupa, she is not only friend of mine. I was alone. She is the only family member for me. That's my sister. Sagar was living in Bangalore only with the help of her money. What, yaar? What happened here? Why so late?
Severe headache. Do you have tablets?
Huh? Yes. Take, have it. What happened? Why are you so dull? What about that walk, dear? Hello. I asked what about that work?
As we all think, the people who are with us don't deserve us.
What happened? What are you saying?
Nothing.
Tell me, what's the matter?
I went to meet a producer. The way they talk is so rubbish.
Yeah. In that AVM, give the details for DL. Okay.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So it's me, Saga.
Oh,
You asked me to come on 18th.
18.
Ah,
Okay. Please have
Okay,
a seat. I'll call you later. Okay. Lord Ganesha, Venkateshwara, I have invested crores together only having a belief on you. You have given lot to me. Please do like this a profit for me anytime, gods. Narayana, bless us. Swami Ayyappa. Hey, did you send that last month bills to the GST Selvaraj?
Yes, sent,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
I forwarded to his mail ID, sir.
Okay. Then that new director Ram Prabhu has came here.
No, sir.
Didn't come? You don't have time since useless fellow. Do one thing. Tell him to come quick. Hey,
Sir?
send that Sagar here.
Okay, sir.
Go.
pray for me, okay?
Sir is calling inside, sir.
Ah, okay. Come, let's go.
He's calling only you, sir.
Don't get tense.
Okay,
Be cool.
thanks. Sir?
Come, Sagar, sit. Then I said about 18th. You came soon, right?
Not like that, sir. They told 18th there will the new director coming. So I came early. From 3 years, just for a chance, I'm behind you, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have given all my photographs to the office boy. Did you see? Did you see my photographs, sir?
It was very nice. Super it was.
Thank you, sir. Sir, from so many days I'm behind you. Just give me one chance, sir. Anyhow, one chance, sir.
Okay. Next week we are launching a new project on board. We'll see in that. Okay? Fine, Sagar. Who's that girl?
She's my fiance, sir.
Fiancé? There will be always a girl behind the each and every man's success. That's perfect in your matter, see.
Huh.
I know you'll do something, but you have to cooperate with us. You have to cooperate, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sagar, don't you have sense? What are you trying to ask me now? Damn it.
Yeah, it's
You
right.
should not take me to such nasty places.
I agree.
Do you think he's the only producer in the cinema industry who is going to give you chance?
Yeah.
I'm
I
not
got
a
it. I
prostitute
understand.
here. What do you
Yeah, I
think
know,
about
relax.
me?
Sagar, I didn't say that I won't give you an opportunity, but I can't invest crores together and make a huge loss believing in you. Got my point?
Sir, just trust me once, sir. Once, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. One chance, sir. I'm begging you, sir. I'll make sure you'll not have any loss. Trust me, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Trusting you is not important, but you have to trust me. You have to cooperate with me. If you do that, everything will be fine.
I really don't understand what you're saying, sir.
I said you on that day itself. You didn't get my point, it seems. There is a girl behind every man's success. Still, you are not getting my point? Why you are getting tensed? Why? If a girl is ready to do anything for you means why it is? In my new movie, will you be my hero?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it is so simple. One day I need her. Just for one day. Got it? If it's okay, you are the hero. Or else, zero. Okay? You got my point now.
This is it, Sakshi. I don't like to lead a life in this world anymore. I am unable to bear such things. I feel like dying. I'm unable to bear, Sakshi. I can't control myself. How could Sagar talk to me like this?
Hey, what is this? I'm there for you. Don't cry. Relax.
No,
Relax.
Sakshi. I never thought that he would talk to me like
I
this.
understood. I have a solution.
Sakshi, she knows how much I'm struggling in this field. If I have to win in this field, there are a lot of things I have to do. That's why. Just one yes from her side. For me to win.
What are you talking? No.
Sakshi, try to understand my position. You have to go and convince her. Please.
No. I told to Sagar that Rupa is not ready for this. But still he...
Alcohol is harmful to health.
You don't think about anything. Sagar is very nice person. What we show in front of screen, that is not only a cinema. With your support only, he'll achieve. Full support. What I said, it will be done. Rupa, see here. What you think is he should settle in future, right? What I said, you got it right, huh?
Rupa! Why, what happened to you? Why you did like this? Come dear, we'll go to hospital.
No, Sakshi. I did a very big mistake. I had done a very big mistake which I had not done before. I can't lead this life. I don't deserve the life which I wish to. At least let him lead his life how he liked.
Rupa! Oh God! Why you did like this? Why, dear? Oh God! I said no to him. How come all this? Oh God! What should I do now? Why did you make this decision? Oh God! For your death, I will not leave him. I promise you.
Come. Be careful. Driver? Where he went?
Driver?
Sagar?
Sagar? Mahesh, I can hear some noise coming from inside.
Come, we'll go and check. Come.
Driver? Driver?
Vaishu, see here.
Karthi? Karthi? What happened? How did you come here? Okay.
Please remove this. Remove this
sorry.
fast.
Karthi, what is all this?
I'll tell you.
What happened, Karthi?
That day, in one vehicle, 4 people came and they beat me badly. See this. It's paining very much. I'm in a lot of pain now. They actually brought me here, made me sit here, and they tied my hands. They tied my hands like this. They tied very tightly, and then next. Not this one. And with the help of this, they put it around my leg like this, and they press it tightly. And then they came to this hand, and here also they tied me up tightly like this. Like this. And then open your mouth. They put this in my mouth like.
Karthik, what are you saying? Karthik, what you doing? Are you gone mad? Why you are behaving like a psycho?
Yes, man. I'm a psycho.
What I did to you?
Like a madman. Have you loved any girl before? No. Telling that she's my world, she's my universe. Have you ever roamed behind a girl ever? Tell me. One fine day, when I got to know that she's in love with some other person, imagine how I would have felt, huh? I became a madman. You made me a psycho. Hello.
Hello, Karthik.
This is me,
I just want
Karthik.
to talk to you immediately, and it's little emergency.
Okay. I'm coming right now. Vaishu.
Mahesh, here's Karthi.
Hi. Just a minute. Hello. Mahesh
Actually,
here?
yes.
What happened? Suddenly you called? Why? What happened?
Actually,
What?
no. We can't marry each other, Karthi. After my parents came to know about us, my parents are very angry. But without my parents' permission, our marriage will not happen, Karthi. Even I won't agree with that.
Vaishu.
Yes, Karthi. I do understand your feelings. And I even know how much you love me. Karthi, if I ask a thing which I love, what will you do then? You will buy that thing for me, right? Because you love me so much, right? Karthi, if I ask a thing which I love, what will you do then? You will buy that thing for me, right? Because you love me so much, right? Even my parents get me. Here's Mahesh. My parents have chosen him as my life partner. He is also working in abroad. I won't say that you won't perfectly match me. Because you are a sweet guy. But please think practically, Karthi. You're not financially fit as of now, Karthi. Here's Mahesh. My parents have chosen him as my life partner. He is also working in abroad. I won't say that you won't perfectly match me. Because you are a sweet guy. But please think practically, Karthi. You're not financially fit as of now, Karthi. I never doubt you on your love. I know you would dare to die for me. Even I had the same feeling on you. But when it comes for a matter of life, this doesn't work out. You need to understand that. I never doubt you on your love. I know you would dare to die for me. Even I had the same feeling on you. But when it comes for a matter of life, this doesn't work out. You need to understand that. You will definitely find a better girl than me. Why are you crying now? Take it easy. Think practically. If you want to see me happily, then you would understand this. You will definitely find a better girl than me. Why are you crying now? Take it easy. Think practically. If you want to see me happily, then you would understand this. But he is very sincere. He is also ready to die for me. Not only that, he has already settled in life. God bless you, Karthi. Please take care of yourself. Goodbye. But he is very sincere. He is also ready to die for me. Not only that, he has already settled in life. Please take care of yourself. Goodbye. Okay then, bye.
Okay, Aishu. Let's go.
The one who came now is Karthik. He was behind me from many days. I told him everything and hope he understood that.
Get in.
I'm a only single parent for you. And whatever you ask, I offer to give you. How many times I have to tell you? Get a job and simply don't roam with boys. But you're not listening. Listen, you don't spoil your life for her. God, no work, no money, shame on you. How many times should I tell you? Look after to your life and earn money. Listen, you'll not get anything from love. First you have to understand this. Now you just leave that everything. You start your graduation. After that, get a job and start earning money. Have food, son. I'll search a better girl than her for you, da. By seeing her, we can judge that she's not good. For what reason she has left you? For that reason itself, she should get jealous in future. Listen, I'll be with you in every moment. Please have dinner. I have cooked your favorite food. See here. Shall we have? I will only feed you. Open your mouth. How da? Please have dear. Please.
Bro, she's telling me love is not a matter. She wants me to think practically, it seems. I need to earn a lot of money, it seems. Then I have to get a job abroad also, it seems. Then she's telling me she will live with me, it seems. While she was loving me, I was the good guy. So sweet. What all she told me. And then she left. Instead of living like this, dying is better. I want to die.
It's not you who have to die. It's her. She has to die.
She should not die that simply. She is doing all these things. Why? Because she is so beautiful, right? We'll spoil her beauty only. We'll throw acid on her face. Karthi, don't do that. What we can do by doing that, we can scrap her face. After that, like a Bangalore Lakshmi, she will be famous in social media. Later on, she'll take selfies with most of celebrities. She'll become more famous and you will go to jail. That's it.
Hey, that's all normal, man. Acid, jail, that's all not required. From now on, nobody should love and nobody should cheat. That's how it should be, and they should never forget. Think different. Act different.
Correct.
Correct. Soish? Yes? Tell me.
If she had cheated you also, it's fine. But like a street dog, she played a game with you. I can't take that off my mind. She should never do this to anyone else.
Yes.
These girls just need us jobless people, to roam around and have fun. But for marriage, they want IT working professionals. Then who we roamed around, are we all just fools? And all the loss is ours.
Rupa was ready to do anything for him. But he sold her for someone for his selfishness. He cheated Rupa for his selfishness. But because of this, I have lost my beloved friend. He is very selfish and cruel in all ways. He should not be alive.
She didn't love me. She loved my Jeep. Once my Jeep went, she also left me. I will not leave her.
No food, no sleep, no friends, no family. I just had Vaishali, that's all. Vaishali, my sweetheart. But in the end, what did she do? She dared to get you in front of me. And then she's telling me that she'll get married to you in front of me. Didn't you say that? Didn't you say that? Tell me. You are the #1 fraud. And then she's coming to me and telling me, it seems you will give your life also, it seems. That's why I'm going to kill you now.
Please help me! David! No, don't kill him!
And you have to live with her together, right?
Pardon me, please! Don't kill me! Please, please, no! Rahul! 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 Rahul, please save me! Rahul! Rahul! David, no! Leave him! David, don't do anything! Leave him! Rahul! 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 Oh!
Yes, she died. Your girlfriend got died. But with how many girls' life have you played, right? In that case, I am also a loser in the love. Actually, she must die. Actually, after cheating to me only, she came to you. If you know about her properly, you would have killed her before. If we love someone, see, we will keep her in our heart. Karthik, I don't know all these things. Really. If I would have known about you, I couldn't get close to her. She left you alone without any guilty. If this situation may comes to me in future, how can I believe her? Tell me.
Tell him everything.
Sorry, Mahesh.
Okay, I'll give you an option. Just kill her and save yourself. Do it.
Mahesh, Karthik, please don't do this. Don't kill me. You did love me sincerely, no? Let's live together. Please don't kill me. Mahesh, please, Mahesh, please don't kill me. We were together for one night, right? He is a psycho. What is telling is lie. Please, Mahesh, please. I'm your wife, no? Mahesh, no, Mahesh. You shouldn't get...